dais now to take the salute is the contingent of the 1st MLP Battalion led by its commander ASI Yashwant Singh. Arriving in the saluting dais to take the salute now is the 5th IRBN Pasikhat led by its commander Sub-Inspector Isaac Bora. Arriving at the saluting dais now to take the salute is the brass band of the Border Security Force and the Border Wing Home Guards. Ladies and gentlemen, arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute, NCC Boys Contingent, and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute is the NCC Girls Contingent, led by its commander Ibadabyang Kharshie. Leading the school's contingent in this year's Independence Day Parade, and arriving to take the salute is the contingent of Loreto Convent School, led by its commander Trisha Sunar, flag bearer Eden H. Romnong, and plakat bearer Risa Maki Nabam. Following the contingent of Loreto Convent arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is Sacred Heart Girls High Secondary School, led by its commander Jenny Fiba Marpanyang, flag bearer Sharon Hardev Rao, plakat bearer Darishisha Marpanyang. Following the Sacred Heart Girls High Secondary School, Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School, however, represented by the girls. Their commander is Monica Pandit Lekko, flag bearer Andrishisha Rinyao, plakat bearer Labyang Hong. Arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is District Christian Multipurpose High Secondary School, led by its commander Rishan Abe Ponce. Arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is Auxilium Higher Secondary School, led by its commander Hajaujang Jenny Chongboy. To take the salute now is the contingent of Holy Cross Higher Secondary School, led by its commander Animalis D. Shira. Arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is the contingent of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, led by its commander Nazarene Mevayada Dengwa. Following the contingent of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute